channel. And today is going to be my very last Ipsy video for a while. I said it in the past, I'm not resubscribing. One, I have a lot of makeup, and two, my parents don't want to pay for it. So, until I get a job, we won't be getting Ipsy for a while. So this is my last one. This is December 2018 Ipsy video. I'm kind of sad about it, but you know what? It's okay. We'll come back to them eventually. I promise you guys. I will buy it myself because I really love Ipsy, and I think Ipsy is a great subscription service if you guys are looking into getting to know brands and wanting to figure out what's your favorite brand. I found a lot of my favorite brands because of Ipsy. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get on to the video. So this is the bag this month. It is super cute. Super cute. And it's like this on the back. First, we have the IT Cosmetics Super Mascara. I've tried it once before. I really like it. You guys know I love my mascaras. And yeah, I'm very excited to have more mascaras in my drawer. Next is from Bang Beauty, which I have tried them before. Can't really tell. This is a blush from them in Smoky Peach. I will show you guys it. It says the packaging, the name of it, right on the back. It's awesome. It comes with like a mirror. I think it's super pretty. It's a little sparkly, but we can make it work. You guys know I've been very into blush lately. Next is a brush from the brand Farrah. It's so pretty. I think this is so pretty. I think this is like an eyeshadow bluffer blush thing. I'm excited. Next is from Cake. This is a moisturizer. And it smells. It smells like a cake. It smells so good. I've tried this because I have one that still hasn't been fully used. And then we have two more things. This is from Pacifica. Such like holographic. I love the packaging. I was very impressed. I'm not a big fan of Pacifica these days though. But the packaging, holy lordy. This is a Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Pearls. And this is like a highlighter. Like white. It's very like, I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it. And I'll definitely give you guys a review on it in the next couple months. I'll be trying it, wearing it for a long time, and I'll be doing a review because, yeah. And lastly is Steve Laureate in Orchid. This is a lip product. The packaging, oh my god, the packaging on these products have been so beautiful lately. I just love it. Holy, this is like a lip tree oil. I don't really know how this works. It's like, you take it out and then it's like purpley. And then it's like a liquid. This is like more like a gloss. But just the packaging, it's so pretty. I have to look up how to use this because I don't know. And that is everything. This is what it looks inside. Very pink. Perfect for the new year, of course. So that was my final Ipsy bag for now, for 2018. Hopefully we'll resubscribe sometime in 2019. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe down below for a lot of makeup reviews because I will be reviewing all these products in like a video. And yeah, and I will give you my final thoughts on Ipsy in a future video next month, so you guys can know what months I like, what products you should keep your eye out for. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Next Wednesday's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!